Hello, I'm Stan, and welcome to Is Not, Is To Art Studio. This is part 2 of a 3-part project I call Rusty Bug's Wall Sculpture. Part 1, if you haven't seen it already, I make the bugs, 2 butterflies and a snail. In this video, I will make them a place to live using some more carbon steel. For the frame, I'm using 1/4 inch square, and the vines are 1/4 inch round, and the leaves are 16 gauge, which is about 1/16 thick. I'm going to shut up now and play some music. If you want to see what it looks like with the rusty patina that I will do in the next video, this would be a good time to hit that subscribe button. Okay, now I'll shut up.